It's me again, MMA, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sa mga bago po sa channel na to, please do not forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so you'll be updated with our upcoming vlogs. So nagbabalik na naman po tayo today with another cooking video. And this time, since meron pong nagbigay sa atin ng fruits, nitong mga nakarang araw, gagawa po tayo ng mango graham cake.
A few inches later. A little longer than a few minutes later. Much later. One eternity later. The following day.
Oh no!
Ayun, dito na po natin tatapusin ang video na to. But before we totally end this vlog, I would like to say thank you to John, Cedric, and Lyra sa pagpapadala sa amin ng mga fruits. And also, shoutout nga din po pala kay Patricia Camille Perez, kay Nina Bernardino, Janessa May de Lima, Jonani de Luna, April Risa del Rosario, Carrie Grace Tiburcio, Ismael Rabanal, Mobs the Wanderer, Ninja ni Memay, Kate Angel de Luna, Rancel de Luna. Shoutout din po kay Bernadette Pradio, kay JM Aison, Anthony Lunhas, Grace Leterio, Jaynard Bualan, Crisel Simler, Joshua de la Cruz, Irene Humawid Santillan, Annalisa Lahoy, kay Ronald Piquero, Emil Rama, DM Pamplona, Jaydan Fabros, Alyssa Atilano, Mark Atilano, Jonar Omanya, Elmer Gaas, Shirley Saavedra, Marcos Gosela, kay May Charmaine Sige, Lynn Serrano, Jessica Ruiz, Pinky Tadeo, kay May Ann, and kay Jessica. Shoutout din kay Sis Mahalski. Meron din po siyang YouTube channel. Also, shoutout kay Brad Jong, kay Brad Alim, kay Brad Saidamin, and also shoutout kay Melody, kay Macdoom, kay Kisjan, kay Shekinah, kay Mark Anthony, Lyndon, Michael Tasara, Madeline, Rogelyn, kay Starlet Heart, and kay Ruelin. So again guys, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga videos. Do not forget to like our videos, subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you'll be updated with our upcoming vlogs. So again, maraming salamat po. Until our next vlog. Bye!